Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So at 10th position in our list we got Françoise Bettencourt Meyers and family, who is from France, and her age is 67 years. Her main source of income is from L'Oreal, and her current net worth is $82.5 billion. dollars. At ninth position we got Sergey Bin, who is from United States and his age is 47 years. His main source of income is from Google, and his current net worth is $94.9 billion. dollars. At eighth position in our list we got Larry Page, who is also from United States and his age is 48 years. His main source of income is from Google, and his current net worth is $97.9 billion. dollars. At seventh position we got Larry Ellison, who is from United States. His age is 76 years, and his main source of income is from software, as he founded Oracle. His current net worth is $99.9 billion. dollars. At sixth position, we got Warren Buffett, who is from United States, and his age is 90 years. He is quite old. His main source of income is from Berkshire Hathaway. It is a textile manufacturing company, but now it is an investing company. His current net worth is $102.8 billion. dollars. At fifth position in our list, we got Mark Zuckerberg, who is just 36 years old, and his main source of income is from Facebook, and he is from United States, and his current net worth is $109.8 billion. dollars. At fourth position in our list, we got Bill Gates, who is from United States, and his age is 65 years. His main source of income is from Microsoft. His current net worth is $131.2 billion. dollars. At third position in our list, we got Elon Musk, who is from United States and his age is 49 years. His main source of income is from SpaceX and Tesla, and his current net worth is $177.6 billion. dollars. At second position in our list, we got Bernard Arnault and family, who is from France and his age is 72 years, and his source of income is from LVMH, Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, and his current net worth is $181.2 billion. dollars. So moving towards the first position, we got Jeff Bezos, whose age is 57 years and he is from United States, and his main source of income is from Amazon, and whose current net worth is $194.7 billion. dollars. So this was our video of breaking down Forbes top 10 billionaires. So please like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing informative type videos.